Prevent color washout and rejuvenate chemically processed hair. The Keranique Color Boost Shampoo and Conditioner breathe life into color-treated and thinning hair. Our mild formula locks in color and restores elasticity while strengthening hair fibers from within. They're free from sulfates, parabens, and gently take care of damaged hair and sensitive scalps, so you can enjoy vibrant, extremely soft, heat and UV-protected locks. Explore our exclusive range of follicle-strengthening shampoos and conditioners and discover the power of Keranique.